Get ready to experience the ultimate student stay in Liverpool with Moorfield, where over 400 students come together and call this place home. Step inside one of the city's top-tier ensuite apartments, and you'll feel right at home. From soft beds with mattresses that sink in and give you hugs after a long day, to trendy study desks and double wardrobes full of storage space, there's something for everyone. Open your bedroom door and you'll find plenty of fantastic areas for relaxing or studying. With cozy common rooms that have quiet corners for focused work, you'll have everything you need to balance work and play. With Liverpool John Moores University city campus just a stone's throw away, and the University of Liverpool only a 7 minutes drive away, you can finally hit that snooze button guilt-free. But it doesn't end there. With excellent public transport links including an airport bus, local rail services, and the main train station nearby, getting around town has never been easier. And if you're looking for some adventure, hop on the fast rail and you could be chilling in London in just 2 hours. So, come join the party at Moorfield. Book now at amberstudent.com and let the good times roll.